Alright, if you've been lugging your bags around all day, then stay tuned because I'm going to help you fix your shoulder with a little frosted and a salt stone massage and a couple simple stretches.
Start with some frosted peppermint oil diluted into a carrier oil and massage into the head, neck, and chest. Next, use the salt stone and start from below the ear and gently drag down along the side of your neck. Ah, feels good. Take as long as you need and massage all along the back of your neck too. Bring it down to your chest wall, starting at the center, working your way out. Use your free hand to gently tug the fascia in opposite direction to give a gentle stretch. Gently massage into the rotator cuff and stay here for as long as you need. Do a few shoulder rolls, notice the difference, and repeat a few times. Next, keep your elbow by your side and pretend you're opening and closing the door with your hand. Stay here and stretch for about 30 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times. Next, flex your hand and pretend to gently press the wall away. Look into the opposite direction and gently push the fascia with the other hand. Slowly bring your hand back. Feel the difference and repeat if necessary. Balance yourself out, repeat on the other side, and let me know how it goes.